L'attaque menée par le Hamas contre Israël a nécessité beaucoup de préparation et de logistique. Mais comment le mouvement a-t-il été capable de financer et d'organiser une telle offensive qui a fait des centaines de victimes sur le territoire israélien? Pour Joost Hilterman, il s'agit d'un acte de guerre analogique dans un monde où nous pensons en termes numériques.
We have to keep in mind, we're talking about a very low level of sophistication when it comes to military hardware. In the end, what did they use? They used some hang gliders, powered hang gliders. Well, you can get them on the open market. They used regular rifles and small arms. They used motorcycles and pickup trucks. They used some drones and explosives. And of course, they fired rockets, but most of the rockets are not sophisticated.
La responsabilité du Hamas est considérable. Plusieurs experts affirment que de nombreux aspects de l'opération auraient été soutenus par l'Iran. Mais est-il possible d'évaluer l'implication de Téhéran dans l'offensive? Cet expert semble sûr.
Along with the sheer ferocity of imagination, the scale of it, preventing any leakage of information. So you also have to factor in that Hamas has got a lot of support, tactical, strategic, and financial backing from Iran, who have been able to operate in many ways in various guises around the world. So Hamas may be taking a leaf out of Iran's book. There should be no doubt that one of the motivations behind the Hamas operation was to prevent normalization of ties between Saudi Arabia and Israel. Now, the Biden administration appeared to be close to brokering a normalization of ties between Israel and Saudi Arabia, which Iran strongly opposed.